This wooden sculpture is a remarkable example of traditional craftsmanship, combining artistic brilliance and cultural symbolism. It captivates the observer with its intricate details and profound sense of spirituality. Carved from wood, the piece reflects the delicate relationship between human creativity and natural materials, embodying a timeless tradition that has been passed down through generations. The craftsmanship of this sculpture is evident in every aspect of its design. The centerpiece of the artwork is a serene figure, which may represent a deity, bodhisattva, or spiritual guide. The figure is positioned within an elaborate lotus flower, whose petals extend outward in a symmetrical and balanced manner. The headdress of the central figure is richly adorned, featuring delicate patterns that showcase the artisan's skill. The facial expression of the figure exudes calmness and introspection, evoking a sense of peace and tranquility. The texture of the wood enhances the sculpture's overall aesthetic. The natural grain and smooth finish of the material not only add warmth to the artwork but also create an organic harmony between the spiritual and the earthly. The fine carving around the edges of the petals, the intricate swirls, and the curves give the sculpture a sense of fluidity and motion, as if it is alive with energy. This sculpture likely draws inspiration from Buddhist or Hindu traditions, where the lotus is a powerful symbol of purity, enlightenment, and spiritual awakening. In these traditions, the lotus grows in muddy water yet blooms pristinely above the surface, representing the journey of the soul rising above worldly challenges to achieve spiritual transcendence. The central figure, with its calm demeanor and regal posture, may signify enlightenment, wisdom, or compassion. The headdress and other adornments suggest divine authority or spiritual importance, a hallmark of representations of bodhisattvas or deities in Eastern art. The lotus motif, combined with the figure's meditative posture, reinforces themes of self-awareness and inner peace. The art of wooden sculpture has a long and storied history, particularly in Asia, where wood has been a favored medium for centuries due to its availability and versatility. This sculpture exemplifies traditional methods of wood carving, where artisans rely on hand tools and meticulous techniques to bring their visions to life. Historically, such sculptures were created for temples, shrines, or as personal objects of devotion. The use of wood adds an ephemeral quality to the sculpture, as the material ages and changes over time. This quality reflects the impermanence celebrated in many spiritual traditions, making the medium particularly suitable for creating sacred art. The lotus flower. The lotus is a prominent symbol in Buddhist and Hindu art. It represents purity and spiritual growth. The arrangement of the petals in this sculpture is deliberate, radiating outward to create a sense of completeness and unity. The central figure. The figure's serene expression suggests inner peace and enlightenment. It might represent Avalokiteshvara, Kuan Yin, the bodhisattva of compassion, or another spiritual figure depending on its cultural origin. The sculpture demonstrates advanced woodworking techniques, including relief carving, where the design projects slightly from the background, and undercutting, where areas are deeply carved to create shadows and depth. The artisan's ability to capture delicate expressions and intricate patterns is a testament to their mastery. This piece could serve various spiritual functions. In a temple setting, it might be a focal point for offerings and prayers. In a private space, it could inspire meditation and mindfulness. The depiction of serenity and transcendence reminds viewers of their own spiritual aspirations. The use of wood as a medium connects the sculpture to nature, reinforcing the themes of harmony and balance. Wood's organic qualities make it a living material, one that interacts with its environment. The natural imperfections in the wood grain enhance the sculpture's beauty, making each piece unique. This wooden sculpture is more than just an artwork, it is a vessel of cultural heritage, spiritual meaning, and artistic expression. Its intricate design and deep symbolism invite the observer to contemplate not only the skill of its creator but also the profound spiritual messages it conveys. Through its harmonious blend of artistry, symbolism, and natural beauty, the sculpture stands as a testament to the enduring power of traditional craftsmanship.